Welcome to Love Lines.
Unpacking na tayo itong maliit na item. Ay, maayos. Ang liit, diba? LSBL cream 2. Yan. Naka-rubber band pa. Ayan. Ito na yung hinahanap ko. Ayan. Ayos. Sealed. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a good day. God bless. And don't forget, God loves you. You're God's beautiful creation. Ano natapon sa ibaba? So, ayan. Ilang milligrams lang to kasi. Okay. Siya may libre pala. Oh, thank you, seller. Ano ba tong seller na to? Yung seller nito. Yan. Thank you, seller dito. Libreng cocoa butter. Kinakain ba to? Conditioner pala. Not for sale. Thank you sa cocoa butter. Thank you. Okay. No video unboxing, no refund. We hope you enjoy your purchase. For further inquiries, ayan, meron siya. Sophenia's merchandise. At may libreng cocoa butter. Ito. 2 peraso. Salamat. Thank you sa freebies. Ito, oh. Maraming salamat sa freebies. So, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Love Lines. Have a good day and God bless.